Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Yes, ladies, are you tired of not knowing how to create a flawless sew-in hair weave or hair extensions? Well, ladies, today I got you. Yes, today I am revealing my ultimate goal to achieving a flawless sew-in hair weave every single time. Yes, that's right, ladies. I'm covering it all, from the perfect braid pattern to using my custom closure. Yes, my custom closure that needs no glue. You heard me, ladies. No glue is needed with this method. You don't want to miss this expert tips and tricks for getting the most out of your hair weave or your hair extensions. So what's the secret to flawless sew-in hair weaves or extensions? Watch to find out. Okay, ladies, so as you can see, I've already started with my client's hair. I've already hydrated and moisturized her hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, if this is your first time tuning in, then you need to check out our G&G hair growth butter products. Yes, tap the link in the description below. It will take you to our website and you can see all of our hair growth products that we hand make ourselves. Yes, ladies, so as you can see here, I've already started her braid pattern and I'm giving her a healthy braid pattern that's going to be healthy for her hair as well as for the style that she's going to be getting. So as you can see in the front, I braided the braids going down to the side on the right and down to the side on the left. And she does have a left side part because, again, this style I'm going to show you how I use my custom closure. Yes, my handmade custom closure is made by myself, and it is a method that you can use that does not require glue. Yes, ladies, it is perfect and excellent for anyone who has any hair issues such as alopecia, hair loss, thinning hair, short hair, damaged hair, and even those with healthy hair who just wants to give their hair a break. Yes, my method is absolutely amazing. So as you can see, the back, I braided these braids going straight down to the back, and this is going to give her the flat look that I am looking for. Yes, ladies, when we are doing our hair weaves and our hair extensions, we want it to be as flat as possible because that's what helps it look as natural as possible. And that's what we want, a beautiful style that looks natural, and it's also healthy for our hair underneath, because we want to make sure that we are protecting our hair and that our hair, our natural hair, is still growing underneath our protective styles. So again, as you can see that I am doing the last braid here on her braid pattern, and yes, here it is. This is my custom closure. Yes, again, this closure will not need any glue. As you can see, I've already made it for her, so all we have to do is install it, and this is how it comes on our website. When you order these handmade closures, they come ready to be used. They are easy as 1, 2, 3, simple to install. You can even do it yourself. Yes, they are DIYs. They come pre-braided, or you can braid them yourself. And again, they look absolutely natural, and here I am installing it. Look how easy and simple that is. It just slips and slides on. You do not have to worry about it shifting, sliding, or moving. Once I sew the back of it down, it is going to be stable, secure, and again, it will not move throughout the duration that she is wearing this style. And most of all, ladies, it looks so natural. You're going to see in the end how natural this closure looks, as well as how I complete this beautiful style. Continue to keep watching because you do not want to miss any of the tips and the tricks that I show you as I create this style. Please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please do not forget to tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos as I upload new videos every single day. Yes, tune in my channel every day because you will see a new video. Again, continue to keep watching so you do not miss any parts of this beautiful sew-in hair weave and extension. You will be a pro after learning how to install this method. Okay, ladies, as you can see here, I have completed her closure. Yes, her closure is sewn down and it's stable and it is secure, and I am sewing her wefts or her tracks in a U shape. As you can see here, I am going from one side to the other, or from one ear to the other ear, and I'm going to continue to keep sewing in this pattern or this direction until I get up to the top, and then I'm going to just continue to sew underneath the closure. Again, this is going to give us the most natural look and the natural flat feel that we want, because we don't want to have any lumps, bumps, or humps. Yes, ladies, we want it to feel as natural as possible and as flat as possible, and with this method you are going to get all of that. Yes. So again, continue to keep watching as I continue to keep sewing in this U shape, or from ear to ear, side to side. And when I get up to the top, you will see how I will close this off. So again, this will look as natural as possible. Again, continue to keep watching because you do not want to miss any parts of this sew-in or this hair. Okay, family, so as you can see, I am almost at the top. I am going to get ready to be closing this off, and look how beautiful and flat this is coming out. Oh my gosh, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. And again, I am just about to close off the top underneath that closure. So as you can see, I am sewing again in that U shape, and I'm going underneath that closure so that I can make sure that closure blends in perfectly with her wefts or with her tracks. So yes, ladies, this is what you want to do, is make sure that you're going underneath that closure so that that closure can lay flat. As you can see, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's a body wave. It's 22 inches long, and it is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it is tangle free, and we are done. Look at this beautiful results. It came out absolutely gorgeous. Look at that custom closure. The part looks very natural. It looks like her natural scalp. The hair is bouncy. It's tangle free. So again, this is how you install a flawless sew-in hair extension. Thanks for watching, and please again support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and again, do not forget to tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos. Tap the link in the description below. It will take you to our website so you can see all our wonderful products that we have on our website. Again, thanks for tuning in. West Coast Finest Hair and Dance.